dolls, welcome back to my channel. It's the one and only Mimi, and today I'm going to show you guys how to get a braid out on your weaves or wigs. So y'all know I get freaking bored with my hair just like that. I change it every week, but I told y'all that I'm going to keep this hair. What you need is some water. We recycle over here, okay? You're going to need some conditioner, a brush, a hair tie if you want, a bonnet, and hairspray. Stick it in a small section like that. That should be enough, or however small or big you want it to be. So this is the next day and how it's looking. So I think I'm going to take my hair out and then I'm gonna come back on camera to show y'all the final look or whatever when everything's put together. Like the next day, whatever. I know y'all are up close and personable, up in my grill, whatever, but this is the outcome. I like doing this on my wigs and weaves. Like, just look how pretty this is. And if you want, you can comb it out more than I did, just to get that poofy look. And if you really want like some volume here, I do have like a volumizing spray, hairspray, but I don't know where it is right now. So I just like to do this to kind of make it poofy up top at the roots. But like, other than that, I think it is a success. Like, look at this. Oh, like, I love it. Okay, you guys, if you guys like this hairstyle, you like this look, give me a big thumbs up, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Make sure you turn on your post notification, because YouTube be tripping. Alright, see y'all in the next one. Bye. Mwah.